Imagine stepping into your car, which already knows your destination, adjusts your seat, sets the temperature, and starts your playlist. As you drive, it monitors traffic, predicts dangers, and assists you like never before. This is the impact of artificial intelligence transforming the automobile industry into intelligent systems that learn and analyze in real time. Modern cars are equipped with sensors and computers that enhance safety and convenience. We'll explore AI's revolution in automotive technology, especially autonomous driving. While self-driving tech once seemed impossible, many vehicles now feature partial self-driving capabilities. Sensors and cameras detect surroundings in real time, allowing the car to react instantly to pedestrians or sudden changes in traffic. Vehicles can even steer on highways, minimizing driver stress. Fully autonomous cars are in development, with technology advancing rapidly.